E gwenge ma Migori kocha ni jodak mago mabende wuok e gwenge mopogore opogore kaunti ma Migori kono sani to koro chayo malich miwuoro pogruok e wi wechego mago mag siasa magisebedo ka gineno e kind jotelo mago ma oyiere kaunti ma Migori kono. Giwacho ni pogruok maket koda mano ok en mano mabende nyiso chia mano mar telo makare. Bende ne gijiwo jotelo go mondo migie sani giket maino e wechego mago mag chopo kare moko kuom singo mane gisingo ne jodak ma Migori.
In Migori County does not in any way reflect what the public stand for. This 1 year remaining, let's give each and every elected leader space to work. As citizens, we shall judge them properly. Senate is a national entity, but they oversight the counties. If there is anything that maybe the county in one way or the other has done something that is not in order, the Senate should address it in a way that does not bring commotion, because you must have documentary evidence.
Case in point, when you mention like some amount to the tune of 70 million getting lost, you can really arouse emotions of wananchi, and they can erroneously go for a leader's neck when the information later on is realized was not true. So even if we are interested in seats, we need to do it with a lot of due diligence. If Senator is interested in vying for governorship and is looking for a springboard, it is okay, it is democratic right, but it needs to be done in a manner that is in consultation with the members and in line with our constitution.
Governor na Senate, kitu ambayo ungefanya, waache mambo ya chuki. Mambo mengi, rumbano nyingi aachane naye. Senator angeacha matarau kwa governor. Tulete maendeleo.
The senator is trying to be at loggerhead with our honorable governor for unknown reasons. But we are requesting that people who need development, people who are following the wings and the development processes of our governor, are requesting the Honorable Eddie, as the senator, to desist from the kind of challenges that is being giving the government, not giving him total freedom to serve the county plus the people who elected him.
Mvutano wao kati ya watu hao wawili haisaidii wananchi, kwa sababu wananchi waliwachagua wakiwa na imani kwamba watawafanyia kazi ambayo inafaa kufanya. Sasa wakifikia tu wanavutana mambo yao binafsi, hiyo haitusaidii, na ndio maana inatuletea changamoto.
Tena tunaomba gavana wetu, tunakupenda sana na tunajua kazi yenye unafanya. Tafadhali usiweke masikio yako kwa yale Eddie anasema. Fanya kazi, weka ECD kila mahali, tengeneza barabara. Wacha aongee.
Governor anafanyia wananchi kazi. Na senator ndio hatujui yale maneno anahitaji ifanyike.